gorgeous. Welcome to my party.
Are you ready to train like a soldier or a Marine? Don't worry, I don't mean drop and give me 20. I mean actually work out and train the way the military trains and gets physically fit. Military fitness consists of physical training, also known as PT. This involves focused core training, running, or circuit training. In this video, we will go over the workouts the military use and how you can start training like a soldier. Here are the top 5 military core workouts. Please like and subscribe. Starting at number 1. The push-up. The phrase military push-up may create an image of some fantastically challenging form of an already demanding, yet rewarding exercise. In popular terms, a military push-up is commonly described as a push-up that emphasizes the triceps by keeping the elbows tucked to the sides. This would likely indicate a narrower spacing of hands than with a standard push-up, which usually assumes that the hands are spaced at roughly shoulder width apart. Push-ups are a great indicator of not only upper body strength, especially the chest, shoulder, and tricep muscles, but also general core strength and stability. Set a goal for yourself daily, like 50 push-ups in a day. Divide the 50 push-ups into 5 sets of 10, or whatever number you feel comfortable with. Repeat this daily to see maximum results. Other than the fact that Army push-ups means there is a drill sergeant standing over you, yelling at you, there's little or no difference between Army push-ups and standard push-ups. Number 2. The sit-up. The U.S. Army devised an 8-week program to help improve sit-up performance for the Army's physical fitness test. The plan includes 3 sit-up workouts per week with at least 1 full day of rest between workouts. Begin by doing 3 sets of 15 sit-ups each, then resting, then doing 2 more sets of 15 sit-ups on the first day. Perform 4 sets of 10 incline sit-ups on the second workout day, then do 3 sets of as many sit-ups as possible on the third day. Increase the first and second day sets each week, with a goal of reaching 40 sit-ups per set on the first workout day in week 8, plus 30 incline sit-ups on the second day. Your maximum sit-ups on the third day should also increase steadily throughout the 8 weeks. Check out our other video on how to get a 6-pack of abs. Sit-ups work on the abdominals and other muscle groups like the rectus and transverse abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors. However, performing them properly is important to avoid injuries. Incorrect technique can lead to back injury and neck pain. Number 3. The pull-up. The Marine Corps Physical Fitness Test measures a service member's overall level of cardiovascular and muscular health. One of the 3 components of the PFT is the pull-up, which comprises 1/3 of the total score. But not just any pull-up counts. Marine pull-ups must follow the proper form as laid out by Marine Corps. During the Marine Corps PFT, Marines are allowed to grasp the pull-up bar with their hands either facing forward or in a reverse grip. According to Marine Corps regulations, your arms can be as far apart or as close together as necessary to pull your chin above the bar. Once you drop from the bar, the pull-up portion of the test ends and you cannot try again. Marine Corps pull-ups begin from a dead hang. That means that you must grip the pull-up bar and hang by your hands alone. When you are hanging motionless from the pull-up bar, this portion of the test can begin. Using upper body strength, you must pull your chin above the pull-up bar by bending your arms at the elbow. A repetition is only counted when you lower your body and return to the dead hang position. Number 4. Squats. The squat is not a part of the PT test, but allows the soldier to perform better on the tests, overall making them more mobile and agile. Squatting will make you run faster, not just in sprinting, but in long distance as well. The stronger the legs, the more force you can apply to the ground, which will propel you forward, but with longer strides. Regardless of the distance you are running, squatting will improve your run time. Squats can strengthen your core in amazing ways. Think of how much your lower back and abdominals are engaged when you are doing a squat. You're keeping a heavy weight over the midline of your body, so it's one of the fastest ways to improve your core. Number 5. Running. All branches of the military expect you to run, but require different times and distances. The military has taught many people to run, so it knows how to do it. The Army will put you in the walk to run program. For the first 4 weeks, they'll have you alternate between walking and running. Over time, the walk times will decrease and your running time will increase. By week 5, you should be able to run continuously for the training period. During weeks 7 through 12, you'll get your pace up as you increase your endurance and add speed intervals. The goal is to have you running at an acceptable pace by the end of week 12. Over time, with consistent running, your heart and lungs will adapt. Your heart becomes stronger, enabling it to pump a greater volume of blood per beat, and your lungs become more powerful and capable of taking in more air per breath. As your cardiovascular efficiency improves, you'll be able to run faster, with less effort. Try these workouts for yourself, at home or at your favorite park. Mind over matter, the infamous line that military leadership will tell you while you're feeling the pain of your training. They say, if you don't mind, it won't matter. Having the mental fortitude to push yourself when you feel like giving up will actually make you stronger. Imagine going to the gym for 1 week, you feel great. Then the next week you're just not feeling it. More than likely, your mind told you it's easier to rest than to work out. Mind over matter. If you can conquer your mind, you can conquer the world, at least the world around you. Think about the fitness goals you have, and if you don't have any, now is the perfect time to set them. Think about how healthy you want to be in a year, or how strong you want to be, or maybe you want to get fit for the summer. Set your fitness goal and start working on it. Begin with small workouts and build your way up. Eventually, you'll have that amazing body you always wanted. If you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration from it, please give us a like and subscribe so we can keep coming with great content for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.